66. Listen and read the story.
Mrs. Sanders and her class arrived at the Science Museum. They all got off the bus and went into the museum. The children were very excited. There were lots of different machines to see. They went into the first part of the museum. There was a table with a light bulb, a bottle top, a corkscrew, a jar of jam, and a salt pot. "Now, children," said Mrs. Sanders, "what simple machine can you see here?" "A screw," answered a small boy. "That's right, Max. Look, when we turn the lid of the jam, it comes off and the jar opens. Can you see?" They all said they could. Outside in the garden, there were many more things to try. There was a flagpole, a crane, and a well. "Look, class, these are pulleys. Who wants to try using one?" "I do," said Max. "OK, Max, pay attention, everyone. If you pull on the rope, the flag goes up the pole." In another part of the garden, there was also a seesaw, a wheelbarrow, and a skateboard. "Now, class, these are all based on levers. Who wants to try?" No one? Well, let me show you. "Be careful, Mrs. Sanders. If you stand on that end, the skateboard—" Max tried to say. Too late. Mrs. Sanders wasn't very good at skateboarding. She stood on the end, slipped, and fell over. Later, in hospital, Mrs. Sanders had an X-ray. The doctors saw that her leg was broken, but said she didn't need an operation. They put her leg in plaster and gave her antibiotics. She had to stay in hospital for a week with her leg in a pulley.